we can calculate by the first law of thermodynamics, the concept of temperature. Okay. Then there should be some sign indication of thermodynamics, and this is what in physics and chemistry they are different, because we have both thermodynamics are in physics and chemistry also. So physics and chemistry, some difference are there in sign convention of thermodynamics system. What is sign convention? Suppose the gas accept heat, that is positive. The gas reject heat, that will be negative. Suppose work done on the system, that is negative. Work done by the system, that is positive. If we get some work from the system, that will be positive. If we have to do some work to the system, that will be negative. Clear? So that are the basic terms of thermodynamics. Next we have to know what is work done. We know that what is work done in various processes to calculate the work done. Some basic and simple processes. Suppose that we have a piston here, and suppose here the volume is here V1, and if we change the pressure, the piston will be volume here V2. Okay, here is V1 and here the volume is V2, and suppose some forces are given from here. Okay, some forces are given from here. So there is an increase of volume. So what will be the work done? W equal to what? You know, W equal to dW equal to A dot ds. So what is F? F, you know, if that is the area of this piston, then F equal to force equal to pressure into area. If suppose pressure equal to P here, pressure into area equal to force. So from here you can write what is ds? Ds is the displacement. Suppose here that is, suppose the value of x1, here that is the value of x2. So what is the value? F, that is P dot A into ds, and you can write here ADS means area into length, change of length, that is change of volume, PD. So what is work done? Total work done is the integration of P of W, that will be integration of PD, that is P integration of PV. If you take pressure, this is very reversible process, that is very pressure is very constant. We are changing the pressure in infinite time, in long time. Then P dV. So P equal dV integration of dV into dV1 to dV. So that will be dV2 minus dV. So that is the value of work done. Work done equal to W equal to P. So you have to calculate the same type of work done for various types of cases. For cyclic process, for non-cyclic process. What is non-cyclic process? That is, if you are not you cannot return in the same place, that will be non-cyclic process. Suppose here that is V and that axis represents V, and suppose that is the graph of P. Okay, if pressure increase, volume increase. Suppose this point is A and this point is B, and you are taking a very small prism here. Okay, here the pressure is P gas. Okay, suppose that is A, B, and that is C. Okay, suppose the volume increases here from, that is V1 to V2, and if AC, these lines are very close to each other, then you can easily write AB is clearly equal to C. Okay, if AB and CD is very close to each other. Okay, and the change of pressure is very low. So from here, what you can write, the work done dW equal to PdV. What is P? that is either AB or BC, what you can write, AB or CB, whatever you can write, that is AB and what is BB, the change of volume, that is BB. So that is the area of this graph. So what is work means? Work means the area of PV graph where we have taken B as the axis of this graph, B as the x-axis of this graph. The area of this graph is represent the work. So same thing you have to do for cyclic process, and our next class we will discuss. Thank you.